Away there, fellas. Saturday night, home alone. Got a few beers, something to try. This one's an autumn beer. So made around April, I guess, over here. Bold and fresh with fruity hops. This is made by Two Birds. I think it's Australia's first female brewery. And this is one of their little beauties they made. I remember having my first seasonal autumn beer in Japan. And that was about 7 years ago. And it was beautiful. And I thought, wow, we should have some seasonal beers in Australia. So it's good to see it. Cheers, man. Looks great. Yeah, plenty of flavour in that. American and Australian hops. Plenty of late hopping, I'd guess, by the taste of it. Extremely hoppy. The finish isn't so bitter. It finishes off quite soft with the fruit, which is good. Pretty hoppy though I mean, you know, that late bitterness, you're gonna get plenty. 5.8%. That's not bad. Well done, ladies. Good stuff. Now, probably the best autumn beer I ever had might be, it was really good. It was a Grolsch autumn beer in a can that had autumn leaves all over it. And it cost €2 at the train station at Maastricht in southern Holland, and they were beautiful. That was a few years ago too. Alright, that was about 4 or 5 years ago. Well, that's great. Good beer. Something a bit different, a bit more gutsy, more flavour than the average Australian beer. Yum. I'll leave you with it. Cheers, everyone.